Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video, we are going to solve this nice geometry problem. In fact, in this question, the statement of the question is like there are two perpendicular line segments PQ and QR. These two line segments intersect each other perpendicularly at Q. O is the center of the circle and length of PQ and QR are 9 units and 27 units respectively, and we have to find out the radius of the circle. So here, in order to find out the radius of the circle, we will first join P with O. So if we join P with O with this manner, we will have a right angle triangle, that is right angle at Q. So if we assume the radius of the circle, that is R, that means OP is nothing but the radius of the circle. So here we are assuming the radius of the circle as R, that means PO is R. Similarly, OR is also the radius of the circle, that means the side length OR will also be small r. And it is given that QR is equal to 27, that means OQ will be given as QR minus OR. So the length of QR is 27 and the length of OR is R. That means OQ will be given as 27 minus R. So if in right angle triangle PQO, if we apply the Pythagorean theorem, so here we can write that OP square minus OQ square is equal to PQ square. So if we put all the known values, that means if we put the values of OP, OQ and PQ, so we will have OP square, that will be R square, negative of OQ square, that will be 27 negative R raised to 2 is equal to PQ square, that will be 9 raised to 2. So after simplifying this, we will get R square negative of, and here in fact we can use the identity A square negative B square. So if we use the identity A square negative B square, that will be equal to A negative B times A plus B. So from here, if we use this identity on this equation, so from here we can write R negative 27 minus R and R positive 27 minus R is equal to 81. So further, from here we can write R negative 27 positive R, then we will have R positive 27 negative R is equal to 81. So further we will have 2R negative 27 times 27 is equal to 81. Let me correct it. So from here we will have 2R negative 27 times 27 is equal to 81. Further, from here we can write 2R negative 27 is equal to 81 divided by 27. So after simplifying it, we will have 27 3 ja 81. So from here we will have 2R negative 27 is equal to 3. Further, we can write 2R is equal to 3 plus 27, that will be 30. So from here we will have 2R is equal to 30. Further we can write R is equal to 30 divided by 2, that means 15. So from here we will have the radius of the circle as 15 units, and this is the answer of the question. So I hope you understand the solution and the way we discuss it. So please like the video, share it with your friends who loves mathematics, and please subscribe to the channel. And more importantly, thanks a lot for watching it.